Not so brave. Part 4. And Tail reminding me that's not part of Tale of the Brave. That's just a little tale I have to tell you. So this is part 4. This might be a lot of parts long. Because I don't think I will reach my goal. But, okay. So the top of hat went broad in the morning to whip. The engine, please wake up. Because the new source is expensive but it's built. Engine fit for 2 engines at a time. Wow! And the engine and the paper engines are now taking breaks. Woke up. Millie woke up. What? It's done? Scruff woke up. It's really done? Pastor said, really? And Pastor wanted to do it first. Perfect, I'm going to need this toy. Pastor wanted to take a picture of it. So, he had to fast as he could up the bridge. Then he said, hey, did you know that it's for 2 babies? Really? And they just came with him to make sure it was safe. So, after went on one round, and they just went on another. Are you sure this is safe? It's kind of wobbly. Wobbly, smobbly. So terribly. Almost. But the supports were break. There's supports were broke, so they had to wait for the worker to finish it. They weren't really hard to finish it. And then, Names wanted to go up in passion. Names made it safely. Pastor said, wow, this bridge is actually safe. Come on. We made it home safely. You really did make it home safely? You two? Man, I was scared you wouldn't make it. Because they made it in 2 days. And I see what you mean. It's kind of wobbly and wiggly. Kind of wobbly and wiggly. Okay. I'm still sleepy this morning. Oh, yeah, me too. So all the engines at Manfred shed were sleeping. The diesel tank was all pumped up. So he ran to the bridge, asking Thomas to come with him. Come on, Thomas, let's go. Okay, diesel tank. If some people are gonna hurt me, I'm not gonna turn to the dark side again. I promise, man. Okay. So. Oh, it's very bumpy here. Yeah, I know. Very wiggly and bumpy. Yeah, but as long as we get over here alive, it's safe. Yeah, wiggly and wobbly bridge is pretty safe, right? Yeah, sure, man. I think it's pretty safe. The wiggly wobbly bridge is pretty safe, seriously? Uh-huh. Yep. Man, you're so smart. I know. Let's see the bluebell and wanted to go with Connor. Let's see the bluebell and Connor. Yeah. Now that's going to take this way and take it long. Cut this take long, and who the heck would take it long to survive again to make Connor? Where's the little wiggly wobbly stick? Well, the first couple parts are kind of wiggly and wobbly. Yeah, I think it was, but actually use those tracks except for some up tracks to do this. Well, I went down fast for silver because the wheels that I don't have the wooden type. And most of these are taking place, so kind of nice, yeah. So I'm saying this week's 20, so it's an hour. But if this week is 10 minutes, then that would be cool because, I mean, if you walk down one of these parks, man, I want to make it, like, about, but only, like, 10 minutes at least. So I hope it makes 10 minutes. Okay, cry song. My boss is together. Now here, why does the place say?